Look at that. It's lightning really hard. It's lightning really hard. It's like rain of thunder. Look at that. It is. There it went. There's a big lightning strike. It's a big tree right there that might hit my house. What a big thunderstorm. I better. Let's just watch it a bit. The power is now. I have my TV on, my VCR on. It's really, really, really. Stop! Did you see that? Did you freaking see that? I have my air conditioning on. You can hear it. Look, it's really hard to see because it's so dark. The sun just set too. Oh God, that is terrible. Terrible as heck. Oh! Ooh, that'll zoom it up more so I can see. Well, I can't see it, but this is a really bad thunderstorm. It's storming since like 6 o'clock. It's been storming really hard. Rain might pick up some more. Oh! Oh my God, that was really loud. Excuse me. I don't think it's raining that hard yet, but it will be raining harder soon. It'll be raining harder soon, but yeah. So that's the video. So bye. It's storming really hard. I'm scared that the power hasn't went out yet. So see, it keeps flashing too. It's really light. It's really, 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 really storming. Really good. So, not so much rain too. So, bye.